Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Our Amazon find for today is the Sun Bum Sunscreen Spray. Find out why over 30,000 have been purchased in the past month alone. It's received 4.7 stars and has over 25,000 ratings on Amazon. Protect your skin with Sun Bum Sunscreen, the ultimate guard against harmful UV rays. Designed with safety and fun in mind, Sunbum offers a broad spectrum FPS that shields your skin from both UVA and UVB rays. Made with natural ingredients, Sunbum is free from harmful chemicals, ensuring you can enjoy the sun without harming marine life. Sunbum sunscreen is easy to apply, non-greasy, and water resistant, making it perfect for all of your outdoor activities. Whether you're surfing, hiking, or just lounging out at the beach, Sunbum keeps you protected for up to 80 minutes of water activity. Trust the brand loved by beachgoers, surfers, and sun lovers alike. Check out the link in the description box or simply scan the QR code. Like, comment, and subscribe for more Amazon finds.